Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna explain you and at the same time I'm gonna show you how can you trade meme coins without any racks, or how can you decrease your rack potential into the deal. Let's get started. First of all, we need to use some of tools to detect, to determine, and at the same time analyze some meme coins at this site, especially at Solana site. For example, like app.jupe.ag. That is the meme coin platform analyzing belongs to Jupiter. Probably you know Jupiter is the one of the most popular decentralized exchange at the Solana site and at the whole DeFi side. And then our second tool is Dex Screener, and you can use alternatively for the dex screener dex tools or photon, doesn't matter. And rackcheck is one of the most and important and crucial tools, because into the deal, as you can see from its name, we will check it is a rack, it has a rack potential or not. And then bullx, actually bullx is the same Solana dex screener, but at the same time into the deal we will check some other additional opportunities and features about the meme coin. For example, first of all, you need to just enter your password and then connect your own Phantom wallet or other alternative Solana wallet. Just click, and I had already entered my password and click enter. And then yes, you will see at my screen some of meme coins. But there are a lot of rug and there are a lot of warning. For example, click Cristiano Ronaldo token and rack check result. That's a danger. There is no need to click rack check, pass token address, etc. You just can click just in a one, and then you will see is it safe or not. Just let me a second to find safe. There's a danger. That is a little, probably it's danger. Yes, we finally found safe is a rack check result as a rack check result. And for example, y-check result and ape.jupe.ag say the meme coin is safe because low amount of liquidity providers. That feature can be reason for seeing this meme coin as a safe. Okay, but it's not enough. It's absolutely not enough. That's why just click Dex Screener to determine and to see some other things at there. Right now, the meme coins market cap is so good. For example, why I say that? For example, it's not a so hard, it's not a so cosmic feature to touch minimum of $30,000 or $40,000, $50,000 as a market cap, but it contains a lot of reward and at the same time a lot of risk. That's why please do your own research. In this video I'm just gonna show you which tools can you use to determine these meme coins and analyze these meme coins. For example, so first of all, you need to take a look transaction. For example, if you are seeing native transactions, native amount, for example, instead of that we can see 0.01 cent. I mean just 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. That means most of transactions belongs to directly bots, and that is the not a real meme coin. There is no any high reward. That will be scam, that will be pull the rug. I mean, just keep in mind, if you are seeing bot buying and selling, just get away from this meme coin and then click top traders. And then as you can see in the bot amount, there is no bot amount, or if you are seeing a lot of bot amount, I mean zero bot amount, that means it can be potential higher rack pool, but at the same time it's not so enough, it's not so plausible amount for us. And then click holders. Right now holders amount is not so bad. I mean 500 for 100,000 market cap and 30,000 liquidity. It's so average, so normal. And we absolutely take a look liquidity providers. If there are some liquidity providers, I mean non-liquidity providers, for example, token unlock, Radium AMM or Uniswap AMM, etc. At the Solana side we can't see in the Uniswap AMM, but instead of that we can see see in the Radium automatic market maker, I mean Radium AMM. Nevertheless, take a look. Holders, top traders, transaction liquidity providers. I had already talked about that. By the way, we had already at 100,000 market cap, and then you can absolutely take a look TXNs and makers correlation, makers count correlation. For example, if you are seeing 1,000 makers and 1,000 TXNs, it can be bots. It can be bots. Why I say that? For example, I set it up 700 bots, and the rest of, 300 tracks count makers can be real people or other peoples who I'm known. And but in there we have just 655 makers. Just 2 more times is equal text count. And then take a look, volume 120,000. It's not so high, but it's not so low. It's average, and buys amount is more than sales. At the same time, buy volume is more than sales, but they are over and over equivalent, and buyers and sellers count as well. And then scroll down, you can see this the community valuable. That's the community valuation. For example, rocket count is 48 and just one red flag. They are just community valuation. I say it again, and that can be not so bad. And then we move to other tool. Just need to scroll up to get our contract address of this meme coin, and then click search and Control V. By the way, if you are seeing at the end of the contract address like pump, that means the meme coin minted on pump.fun website. I mean, there is no real developer, and everybody can mint this meme coin into the pump.fun into just 1 or 2 clicks. I had already took the video how can you mint, how can you create your own meme coins at the Solana side. At the right corner you will see that. And then first of all, you need to take a look audit side and caution. There's a caution 7/8. Why there's a caution? Top 10 holders has a more percent than normal. For example, we can see in the top 10 holders can hold minimum and maximum of 10,000, or not 10%. But in there we are seeing 22%, and security audit is good, is maintainable, not token data mutable, not freezable, not. If you are seeing yes, one of them, that means the absolutely danger, and that will be pull the rug. And top 10 holders is 22, but if you are seeing that developer bought and developer had already sold, and then the coin will increase, and then you can, by the way, the statistics can say us it's average meme coin, and it can be do 3 or 4 more times, and then you absolutely click bubble map. Bubble map will see and will show us the wallets and connection between them. For example, if you are seeing big bubbles like them, or if you are connecting wallets, that's absolutely danger. And for example, look at the little clusters. In totally, it's equivalent for 5%, and the big bubbles is containing 15% of total supply. That's absolutely dangerous, and there are high transfer volume. For example, if you are seeing there is no connection between these wallets, just them have a connections in there, and we have just a big balance. But you absolutely take a look, high transfer volume, and we detected that this wallet has a high volume of transfers. That means it can be dangerous. But other things, for example, some of them, for example, me, I liked update authority, freezable, token data table, main table, and holders and traders. That's why I can try a little bit. For example, I have in total 10 SOL. Into the deal, I can try to spend to buy this meme coin using maximum of 0.5. I mean, in there, especially when you trade meme coins, you absolutely need to your own portfolio management, and at the same time manage your risks. I mean, there are a lot of rewards. Yes, we had already saw a lot of reward opportunity from dog we've had. I mean, Trump coin, MGA, were in abbreviation of Make America Great Again. I mean, Trump coin, Slurf, or other a lot of coins from Bonk, by the way. But there are a lot of risks. There are a lot of risks, and at the same time, there are a lot of reward. That's why we need to check a lot of times, because we spend our money, and our money, that means our decisions. We need to spend our meme coins and our monies to buy, to swap meme coins in deer, to trade meme coins in deer. That's why we need to check again and again and again. Yeah, that's it about that. I hope you can trade after watching this video, and I hope you will know and you get some information and knowledge. How can I trade meme coins into the Solana ecosystem, and how can I save and keep my portfolio from the rug pulls? But I need to recommend that you will be wrong at there after watching this video, even because, for example, right now I'm seeing this token. Yeah, everything is good, just one caution, and that's the top 10 holders equal, and top 10 holders keep 22% of total supply, and liquidity is so good. Fully diluted value is good, market cap as well, and price is not so bad. I can take a look top traders, they had already sold, which ones have not spent any amount to buy this token. Yes, after that you can decide it. Yes, I can bought this, but I want to say that I want to recommend that you just split your portfolio, which one you distributed and you using for just only for trading meme coins, because you will see pulling rag, you will see rag pull. That's why you need to take a look again and again. You need to check over and over. That's it about that. If you want to learn anymore, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, join Telegram to analyze meme coins with us together, and then don't forget to follow our Coin Engineer Twitter account, because they are so major for us, and sure, if you wanna support us. Bye.